Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail R. Carmelim bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe.
Hello and welcome to the 195th episode of Salesian News Asia Pacific. I'm your host RJ Brian of Radio Salesian 90.8 FM, the voice of the hills, the first community radio of Don Bosco Asia since 2016. This show is brought to you by Church Art Kolkata, the church decor people. The headlines this week: MSMC sisters get new team. Family Day marks 60 years of Don Bosco Church. Esports connect youth to Parish. 52 schools meet at Teachers' Commissioning. Youth Synod held in 2 places. Students promote development goals through radio drama. The news in detail. India MSMC sisters get new team. Sister VG John reports from Guwahati.
During the 10th General Chapter of the Missionary Sisters of Mary Help of Christians at their Generalate in Guwahati, Sister Christine Minsong was elected as the 5th Superior General on 27th January 2024. Other sisters elected to assume leadership roles within the congregation are Sister Mary Thadavanal as Assistant General, Sister Cecily Cherian as Counselor for Formation, Sister Bridget Diangdo as Counselor for Evangelization, Sister Catherine Joseph as Counselor for Education, Sister Lisa Ilavungal as Counselor for Social Apostolate, and Sister Daisy Jacob as Economer General. Sister Christine hails from Omdeng village of Riboy district in Meghalaya. She entered the MSMC congregation in 1978 and served as touring missionary, formator, superior, headmistress, provincial, and assistant general of the congregation. She was also a visiting faculty member in the Department of Psychology of Guwahati University and rendered her service as a professional counselor in the counseling cell of Guwahati Archdiocese. The MSMC congregation, founded by Venerable Stephen Ferrando in 1942, has 1,370 sisters, 66 first-year novices, and 72 second-year novices spread out in 13 countries.
Sister VG John reporting. In the heart of every dream lies the power to inspire. Introducing a timeless masterpiece that captures the essence of a visionary's dream. Behold the embodiment of Don Bosco's dream at 9 years of age, a symbol of hope, compassion, and the unwavering spirit to make a difference. Transform any space into a sanctuary of inspiration with our exquisite statues and murals. Perfect for schools, churches, and community centers, a constant reminder of the power of dreams. Church Art Kolkata, the church decor people. churchart.ganguly@gmail.com 919831020945. Thailand Family Day marks 60 years of Don Bosco Church. Father Sufo Triungam reports from Bangkok.
On 27th January 2024, Salesian family members and the faithful, numbering 600 people, celebrated the 60th year of the establishment of Don Bosco Church, Bangkok. Cardinal Emeritus Michael Michai Kitbunshu of Bangkok presided at the celebration together with Provincial Father Anthony Bullard Panitathayasai. The occasion also marked Cardinal Michael's 50 years as Archbishop and for 40 years as Cardinal. In the afternoon, after the Agape Salesian Family Day was held with 200 members of the Salesian family, composing of Salesians, Salesian sisters, Salesian cooperators, volunteers of Donbosco, servants of the Immaculate Heart of Mary, daughters of the Queenship of Mary Immaculate, sisters of the Queenship of Mary, Mary Help of Christians Association, and the various federations of past pupils. After screening Rector Major Strenna 2024 video, the members were divided into groups to share ideas and reflections on the theme, The Dream That Makes Us Dream. The program ended with a solemn send-off ceremony of the Thai missionary Brother John Bunmi Jarun Sakon to Africa.
Father Sufoth Ryungam reporting. Philippines Esports connect youth to Parish. Father Joel Kamaya reports from Cebu City.
The Archdiocesan Shrine of Our Lady of Lourdes, as part of its festivities of the Parish Fiesta, scheduled for 11th February 2024, hosted the first esports tournament. With mobile games deeply ingrained in today's youth culture, the Parish Youth Council reached out to young people who enjoy playing games and used this venue to reconnect them to the parish. The tournament takes a series of several days of matches between teams of 5 to 7 and will culminate in the final round during the Novena days of the Parish Fiesta on February 8. The tournament is based on the mobile game Mobile Legends, Tower Defense, and strategic multiplayer mobile game popular among Filipino youth. Some 30 teams of young people aged 13 years, regardless of sex or religion, are registered in the initial rounds, and more are signing up for the next rounds.
Father Joel Kamaya reporting. Papua New Guinea 52 schools meet at Teachers' Commissioning. Miss Patrina Kabuanga reports from Port Moresby.
The Don Bosco Technological Institute, DBTI Boroko, joined 52 other Catholic schools belonging to the Archdiocese of Port Moresby at the Parish of St. Joseph, Boroko, for the commissioning of teachers on Friday, 26 January 2024. The program began with welcome greetings from the Secretary of Catholic Education, Ms. Paula Bomai, followed by the celebration of the Holy Eucharist by Cardinal John Ribbott of Port Moresby. Staff from St. Joseph's International Catholic College led the beautiful liturgian procession, along with Jubilee Catholic Secondary School. It was also a wonderful opportunity for DBTI staff to meet many DBTI graduates who are now serving as teachers in Catholic secondary schools in Port Moresby. The program ended with a photo session with the Archbishop involving all the schools present.
Miss Patrina Kabuanga reporting. India Youth Synod held in 2 places. Father Joseph Vanga reports from Hyderabad.
Hyderabad province held 2 youth synods, one in Hyderabad and another in Vijayawada, during the month of January 2024. Both synods had the theme, Journeying Together with the Youth in the Church and Society. Over 300 youth and 22 youth coordinators participated. Both events had a similar pattern of animation, enlivened with the spiritual movements and yoga. The input sessions focused on the Salesian youth movement, the role of youth in the society and the church, the profile of youth, the education of youth in leadership and mass media, and renewal of youth ministry in the province. Particular attention was drawn to the mutual listening, sharing, discerning, journeying, and accompanying. Group activities and sharing helped the youth better understand the nucleus of synodal church. There were also moments of fun and laughter.
Father Joseph Vanga reporting. India students promote development goals through radio drama. Sister Monica reports from Siliguri.
The mass communication and journalism students of Salesian College, Siliguri, and students of Donbosco School, Udlabari from neighboring Jalpaiguri district have teamed up to produce short radio dramas to create awareness on Sustainable Development Goals (SDGs). One radio drama each is prepared for each of the 17 SDG goals. The radio program will be launched on World Radio Day on 13th February and broadcast on Radio Salesian 90.8 FM, the voice of the hills. The 17 SDGs are no poverty, zero hunger, good health and well-being, quality education, gender equality, clean water and sanitation, affordable and clean energy, decent work and economic growth, industry, innovation and infrastructure, reduced inequalities, sustainable cities and communities, responsible consumption and production, climate action, life below water, life on land, peace, justice, and strong institutions and partnerships for the goals.
Sister Monica reporting.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.